My name is Herbert Jelinek and I'm an Associate Professor at the School of Community Health, Charles Sturt University. The research came about through realising that diabetes is a very complicated disease that has lots of side effects, if you like, or comorbidities. And so we decided to come up with a clinic where we concentrated on identifying comorbidities or complications such as eye disease, heart disease, foot disease, kidney disease early enough so that some intervention or treatment can have a positive effect.
Well, I think from this research, I believe that many of our members who participated have become more vigilant and a little bit more enthusiastic about doing the results and the testing and taking better care of themselves.
We did have some quite important findings. So one of the aims of the research was to automate a number of the diagnostics that occur looking at complications of diabetes. The idea behind that is that in rural areas there's often a lack of specialists, especially if you go further rural into remote areas. It may be just a health professional that can get out there and they can then do some of these analysis without having to have a specialist on board. So we, for instance, developed the first program that identified retinopathy in colour images. We have a program now that also has up to 100% accuracy. So if we have a number of lesions in the eye, this program will always tell you.
I think it's made our support group and our local diabetes community more aware of research and more interested in participating in research, because a large number of them have been involved in the research here over the years and have enjoyed participating, and some of them have had the added benefit of being shown that they are at risk of a complication and need to follow it up. People with diabetes are at great risk of blindness and they're not always being picked up early enough, and we want to see that happen. Diabetes in Australia is the leading cause of blindness, I believe.
I think the major changes and benefits of the research was that we had something that in the rural community that we provided that wasn't provided otherwise. And in fact, it's unique in Australia and I think worldwide still. A one-stop clinic such as what we've had here is really only being replicated at the moment by one other university. So the benefit is that people living in this area, they only had to turn up once. That was the biggest benefit that this clinic provided to the rural community.